Hi guys, in front of me is Doogee V Max, and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. So at first open your phone gallery, tap on more icon and select settings. Here you will notice block numbers, and you can either block all unknown colors if you wish by using the stop switcher, or you can add some number manually by yourself by tapping on add a number. So right here you can provide the number and then tap on block. Whenever you wish to remove some blockade, just tap on the cross icon. You can also block some particular color, so if you wish to do it, just pick your contact, the one that you want to block, tap on more icon then, and select block numbers. Confirm it, and that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.